Today we are going to discuss about sex-linked inheritance. Sex-linked inheritance. Sex linkage was first discovered by P.H. Morgan in Drosophila melanogaster. In Drosophila melanogaster, he observed the sex linkage characters. P.H. Morgan is the father of modern genetics. Conducted experiments on Drosophila melanogaster, commonly called as fruit fly. Common name is fruit fly. Morgan conducted experiments on Drosophila melanogaster. He observed the sex linkage in Drosophila. In a population of red-eyed Drosophila, this is red-eyed Drosophila population. In red-eyed Drosophila population, Morgan observed a few number of white-eyed flies. For this observation, he conducted experiments on Drosophila melanogaster. First, he crossed a red-eyed female. XX is female, capital R, red-eyed. He crossed a red-eyed female fruit fly with a white-eyed male, XY male, white-eyed small r. So this is white-eyed male. This is red-eyed female. Cross red-eyed female with white-eyed male. In F1 generation, for example, these are the gametes, X4 capitula and X4 capitula. These are the gametes for this. These are the gametes or male gametes. So these are gametes. In F1 generation, X4 capital R and X4 small r. XX female capital R, red. So this is red female. The second one, this is X4 capital R and Y. XY male capital R, red. Similarly, in this case also X4 capital R and X4 small r, red female. X4 capital R and Y, red male. So in F1 generation, all individuals are red in color, are red-eyed males and females. Then he interbreed in F1 individuals. That means he interbreed in F1 individuals. For example, X4 capital R and X4 small r individual with X4 capital R and Y. X4 capital R and Y. F1 into F1, interbreed F1 into F1. He observed in F1 generation individuals. In F1 generation individuals, this is X4R and this one is X4 small r. These are the gametes. And X4 capital R and Y. These are the male gametes. This is male and this one is female. In F2 generation, X4 capitula and X4 capitula. This is red female. Red female. Next one. X4 capitula and X4 capitula and Y. This is red male. Red male. And next one. X4 capitula, X4 smaller. This is red female. And last one is X4 cap smaller, X4 smaller and Y. This is white male. White male. This is white male. In F2 generation, red is to white. Red is to white is equal to 3:1. In F2 generation, red is to white is equal to 3:1. So the character in parent generation does not appear in F1 generation, appear in F2 generation. The character appear in parent generation does not appear in F1 generation, reappear in F2 generation. The pattern is called criss-cross inheritance. Criss-cross inheritance or skip generation. Criss-cross inheritance or skip generation. We also conducted reciprocal cross. We also conduct the reciprocal cross. What is reciprocal cross? Cross means between different. For example, white-eyed here, first one is red-eyed female, white-eyed male. In reciprocal cross, red-eyed male into white-eyed female. Coming to reciprocal cross, before that, in Drosophila melanogaster, T.H. Morgan conducted experiments on Drosophila for sex linkage. He crossed red-eyed female into white-eyed male. In F1 generation, 100% individuals are red-eyed. That means white color does not appear in F1 generation. Then he interbreed the F1 and F1 individuals. He observed the white color in F2 generation. Then he made reciprocal cross also. In reciprocal cross, what is reciprocal cross? Sex reversal, the character reversal. In reciprocal cross, red-eyed male, X4 capitula and Y. This is red-eyed male into white-eyed female, X4 smaller, X4 smaller. This is white-eyed female. In F1 generation, so these are the gametes, X4 capitula and Y. These are the male gametes and these are female gametes. In F1 generation, X4 capitula and X4 smaller. And this one also X4 capitula and X4 smaller. This is X4 smaller and Y. And this one is X4 smaller Y. So in reciprocal cross, in F1 generation, he observed the white-eyed males. So this is white male. These are white-eyed males. These are red females. This one also red female. So in reciprocal cross, he observed red into white-eyed 2:2, that is equal to 1:1 ratio. 1:1 ratio. So among these two, or depending upon these two crosses, he conclude the following points. Number one is this is X-linked inheritance. This is X-linked inheritance. Number 2, in X-linked inheritance, the genes present on the X chromosomes are recessive. So this white character is observed or appear from recessive gene. So these characters are formed from recessive gene, that is X4 small r. So recessive genes causes this white color. And third one is, if the mother is, this is mother, white-eyed female. If the mother is affected, 100% sons are affected. 100% sons are affected. Number 4, if the mother is carrier, that means X power capital R and X power small r. If the mother is carrier, 50% sons are affected. 50% males are affected. If the mother is affected, 100% sons are affected. If the mother is carrier, 50% sons are affected. And fifth one is, if the mother is normal. The mother is normal. So 100% sons are normal. So these are the observations by T.H. Morgan in Drosophila melanogaster. So depending upon the sex-linked inheritance, in the case of human beings also these characters are observed. They are commonly called as sex-linked characters. The genes which are responsible for sex-linked characters, those genes are called sex-linked genes. In general, these are called sex-linked genes. So coming to human beings, in the human beings there are 3 types of sex-linked genes. Sex-linked genes or characters. The genes, sex-linked genes are again divided into different types. First one is X-linked genes. X-linked genes or characters. What are X-linked genes? The genes present on X chromosome. Those alleles are absent in Y chromosome. What are X-linked genes? Genes present on the X chromosome. Those alleles are absent on the Y chromosome. The type of genes are called X-linked genes. Or those genes are called X-linked genes. So this is Y chromosome. So what are X-linked genes? The genes present on X chromosome. Those alleles are absent in Y chromosome. Those genes are called X-linked genes. X-linked genes or characters are again divided into 2 types. X-linked recessive and X-linked dominant. X-linked recessive and X-linked dominant genes. And second one is Y-linked genes. Y-linked genes. The genes present on Y-linked genes. The genes present on Y chromosome. Those alleles are absent on X chromosome. So these are Y-linked genes. These are Y-linked genes. Y-linked genes. What are Y-linked genes? The genes present on Y chromosome, not those alleles are absent in X chromosome. What are X-linked genes? The genes present on X chromosome. Those alleles are absent on Y chromosome. That is X-linked genes and Y-linked genes. And third one is XY-linked genes. XY-linked genes or characters. What are XY linked genes? The genes present on the homologous parts of the X and Y linked regions, X and Y linked chromosomes. So these are the homologous parts of the homologous part. So these are called X, Y linked genes. Clear? What are the three types of genes? X-linked genes, Y-linked genes, and XY-linked genes. What are X-linked genes? Present on only X chromosome. What are Y-linked genes? Present on only Y chromosome. What are XY-linked genes? Present on both X and Y chromosomes. Homologous part of the X and Y chromosomes. These XY-linked genes also called as incomplete genes. Incomplete genes. Why they are called as incomplete genes? These regions undergo crossing over. These regions undergo crossing over, as in autosomes. These are the allosomes. Two are allosomes. X and Y are the allosomes. So there are three types of genes: X-linked genes, Y-linked genes, XY-linked genes. Characters also: X-linked characters, Y-linked characters, and XY-linked characters. So this first one is X-linked recessive characters. First one is X-linked recessive characters or genes. What are X-linked genes? The genes present on the X chromosome, those alleles are absent on Y chromosome. They are called as X-linked genes. The recessive genes present on X chromosome, those genes are called X-linked recessive genes. Those characters are called X-linked recessive characters. Here, first one is X-linked recessive characters. X-linked recessive characters. X-linked recessive characters. For example, X-linked characters, recessive characters. Example: color blindness. The color blind. And second one is hemophilia. Color blindness and hemophilia. And third one is DMD, Dutch knee muscular dystrophy. X-linked recessive characters are color blindness, hemophilia, and DMD. These three disorders or diseases are X-linked recessive diseases. First one is color blindness. There are three types of color blindness. What are the three types of color blindness? Protanopia. First one is protanopia. And second one, deuteranopia. Deuteranopia. And third one is tritanopia. Deuteranopia, and tritanopia. Protanopia are red color blindness. Deuteranopia, green color blindness. Tritanopia, blue color blindness. What is protanopia? Red color blindness. Red color blindness means these organisms or human beings unable to detect the red color. That means they are unable to distinguish between red and green colors. That is protanopia. This protanopia disorder is unable to distinguish between red and green colors. Deuteranopia, this type of disease, in which we are unable to identify the green color. That means inability to detect the green color. Tritonopia, it is an autosomal disorder. Autosomal disorder in which unable to detect the blue color and also unable to distinguish between green color and blue color. The difference between green and blue. That means protonopia people does not distinguish or difference between red and green colors. Tritonopia people unable to distinguish or unable to detect the difference between green and blue. Deuteranopia people unable to detect the green color. These are the disorders, color blindness, protonopia, deuteranopia and tritonopia. So color blindness is a X-linked recessive disorder. Is X-linked recessive disorder. This X-linked recessive disorder follow the crisscross mechanism. Crisscross mechanism. Here, case 1. First case is colorblind female, colorblind male into normal female, normal female into colorblind male, female XX, normal capital C, colorblind male XY, colorblind small c is the recessive gene which causes colorblind. Capital C's are dominant genes. Here small c causes colorblindness. So it is a X-linked recessive gene. So C is the X-linked recessive gene, small c is the X-linked recessive gene which causes colorblind. So in case of a normal female into colorblind male, the result is in F1 generation X power capital C, one gamete, X power capital C, another gamete. Next X power small c gamete and Y. These are the spawns. Here X power capital C, X power small c. And second one is X power capital C, X power Y. This is Y. This is Y. Here X power capital C, X power small c, XX female. So it is a female carrier. Carrier female. This is capital C, normal male. This is normal male. This one also same, X power capital C, X power small c, female carrier. And this is X power capital C and Y, normal male. In F1 generation, all are carrier means phenotypically normal, genotypically carrier. That means phenotypical normal means in F1 generation 100% individuals are normal. 100% individuals are normal. And coming to second case, in second case, carrier female into normal male, carrier female XX, carrier capital C, small c, normal male XY, capital C. This is capital C. So direct X power capital C, X power capital C. This one also capital C. So this is female normal. And second one, X power capital C and Y, male normal. And second X for capital C and X for small c. Female carrier. Female carrier. And last one, X for small c and Y. Male affected. That means colorblind. Colorblind male. So in this case, females are 50%. Females are 50% normal and 50% carrier. Males are 50% normal and 50% colorblind. 50% normal and 50% colorblind. That means if the mother is carrier, 50% sons are normal and 50% sons are colorblind. If the mother is normal, 100% sons are normal. 100% sons are normal. And coming to next case, carrier female into colorblind male. Case 4. Carrier female into colorblind male. Carrier female into colorblind male. Carrier female, X, capital C, small c. This is carrier female. Colorblind male, X, Y, colorblind, small c. In this case, this combination, X for capital C, X for small c. Female carrier. And next one, X for capital C and Y. Male normal. And next, X for small c, X for small c. Female colorblind. And next, last one, X for small c and Y. Male colorblind. In this case, females are 50% carriers and 50% colorblind. Males are 50% normal and 50% colorblind. This is carrier female into affected male or colorblind male. And last, this is third case. And fourth case is affected female. That means colorblind female. This is colorblind female and colorblind male. Father and mother both are colorblind. What is the result of offspring? X for small c, X for small c. Female colorblind. Next, X for small c, Y. Male colorblind. Similarly, X for small c, X for small c. Female colorblind. And last one, X for small c, Y. Male colorblind. If the parents are affected, that means both mother and father are colorblind. 100% offspring, all sons and all daughters are affected. That is about colorblindness in humans. So, colorblindness is a X-linked recessive character. And final conclusions, very simple. First one is, if the mother is normal, 100% sons are normal. Number 2, if the mother is carrier, 50% sons are normal and 50% sons are colorblind. And third one, if the mother is affected or colorblind, 100% sons are colorblind. So colorblindness depends upon the mother. If the mother is normal, 100% sons are normal. If the mother is carrier, 50% sons are normal and 50% sons are colorblind. If the mother is colorblind, 100% sons are colorblind. That is about colorblind or colorblindness. It is a recessive disorder. X-linked recessive disorder. And second example for X-linked recessive. Second example, hemophilia. Hemophilia. Hemophilia is also genetic disorder. First appear in Queen Victoria. Hemophilia are bleeding or bleeders disease, also called as bleeders disease. In hemophilia, any small injury takes place in these people, continuous flow of blood takes place. That means blood does not undergo clotting or coagulation. Why? Because the genes which are responsible for the blood clotting factors undergo deficiency. There are three types of hemophilia. First one is hemophilia A, and second one is hemophilia B, and third one is hemophilia C. Hemophilia A is 80% and hemophilia B 20%. This is rare. Hemophilia C is autosomal disorder. Like color blindness, trichotopia. Hemophilia A appears due to the deficiency of the blood clotting factor 8. So blood clotting factor 8, deficiency of the blood clotting factor 8 causes hemophilia A. Blood clotting factor 9 causes hemophilia B. So hemophilia A is the deficiency of blood clotting factor 8. Hemophilia B is the deficiency of blood clotting factor 9. It is a rare and autosomal disorder. That is about hemophilia. It is a bleeders disease. So inheritance is same as in color blindness. For example, case 1. Normal female, X for capital H, X for capital H. This is normal female. And hemophilic male, X for small h and Y. This is hemophilic male. Normal female and hemophilic male. So inheritance pattern is same as in color blindness. And last example for X-linked recessive disorder is Duchenne muscular dystrophy, DMD, Duchenne muscular dystrophy. DMD, Duchenne muscular dystrophy. It is caused by the deficiency of gene which is responsible for a protein called as dystrophin. Dystrophin is the protein. So this protein deficiency causes DMD, Duchenne muscular dystrophy. It is a rare disease. It occurs in only males. The gene which is responsible for dystrophin undergo mutation. So the protein dystrophy does not participate in muscle contraction. In general, this dystrophin protein present in or associated with the sarcolemma. So this is the muscle fiber. Muscle fiber is covered by layer called as sarcolemma. So this dystrophin combines with the sarcolemma and enter into T-tubule. Enter into the T-tubule. This is the T-tubule, transverse tubule. T-tubule or transverse tubule. On either side of the transverse tubule, terminal cisternae are present. Terminal cisternae are the reservoirs of calcium ions. What are the reservoirs of calcium ions? Terminal cisternae. In general, this dystrophin protein combines with the sarcolemma and enter into the sarcoplasm and stimulates the terminal cisternae. Then terminal cisternae release the calcium ions. These calcium ions attaches to the calcium ions binds the TNC of the troponin and causes muscle contraction. Calcium ions participate in the muscle contraction. Whenever the gene that is responsible for a protein dystrophin undergo mutation, this dystrophin gene does not combine with the sarcolemma, does not enter into the terminal cisternae. As a result, calcium ions are not released into the sarcoplasm. Hence, muscle contraction does not take place. So this disease in general occur in 4 to 5 years old. 4 to 5 years is old. In general, males. From 4 to 14 to 15 years, these people undergo suffering from DMD, Duchenne muscular dystrophy. What are the symptoms of Duchenne muscular dystrophy? Muscle contraction does not take place. As a result, muscles become stiffer. So legs, pectoral girdle and pelvic girdles of the muscle does not work. As a result, these people undergo death. So this disease does not occur in females. Why? Because males does not mature. Before mature, they die. So this disease that does not occur in a female, generally present in males. That is about DMD, Duchenne muscular dystrophy. These are the X-linked recessive disorders. What are the 3 X-linked recessive disorders? One is color blindness, second one is hemophilia, and third one is DMD, Duchenne muscular dystrophy. That is about sex-linked recessive characters. Sex-linked, X-linked recessive characters. And coming to next one, X-linked dominant characters. X-linked dominant characters. In X-linked recessive characters, the probability, once again, I repeat, probability of these characters. For example, color blindness, XX, capital C, normal female, X4 capital C, X4 small c, carrier female, X4 small c, X4 capital C, carrier female, X4 small c, colorblind female. These are 4 genotypes. What are the 4 genotypes? First one is normal female. Second one, carrier female. Third one also carrier female. And last one is colorblind female. Out of 4 genotypes, color blindness in female 1 by 4. That is equal to 25%. So color blindness in females, color blindness are X-linked recessive characters in females 25%. And coming to males, In males X and Y, X for capital C, normal male. And second one is X for small c and Y, colorblind male. So these X-linked characters does not present on the Y chromosome. So here two chances. One is normal and other one is female. So color blindness in males 1/2, that is equal to 50%. So on this basis, on the basis of this genotypes, X-linked recessive characters are more in X-linked recessive characters are more in males than the females. Here, X-linked recessive character is only 1 out of 4. So recessive character were 1 out of 4. So 1/4, 25%. Here 50%. So X-linked recessive characters are more in males. More in males. That is X-linked recessive characters. And next one is X-linked dominant characters. X-linked dominant characters. X-linked dominant characters. X-linked dominant characters. Examples for X-linked dominant characters. X-linked dominant characters. Example: incontinentia, pigmentosi, incontinentia pigmentosi. Incontinentia pigmentosi is the X-linked dominant character. This is one. And second example is hyperkeratosis. Hyperkeratosis. These are the two examples for X-linked dominant characters. Incontinentia pigmentosi is the character generally present in females. Disappearance of melanin in the skin. Disappearance of melanin in the skin is called incontinentia pigmentosi. Hyperkeratosis, excess formation of keratin in the hair follicles, excess association or formation of keratin protein in hair follicles, that is hyperkeratosis. So what are the two examples for X-linked dominant genes or characters? Incontinentia pigmentosi and hyperkeratosis. So what about the probability of this one? X-linked dominant characters is incontinentia pigmentosi, commonly called as IP, incontinentia pigmentosi. So probability for males, XX male, capital I, incontinentia pigmentosi. X for capital I, X for small I. This one also incontinentia pigmentosi. X for small I, X for capital I. This one also incontinentia. And X for small I and X for small I. So here X-linked dominant characters. One capital I causes incontinentia. So this is incontinentia, female incontinentia. This one also, one dominant gene causes incontinentia, female incontinentia. Here this one causes female incontinentia. Here no dominant genes. So this is female normal. Normal female. So among these four, normal female 1, affected ones are 3. So 3/4. Percentage 3/4, 75%. 75% in females. So X-linked dominant characters are 75% in females. What about males? In case of males, X power capital I and Y. So incontinentia male. X power small I and Y. This is normal. So in males only 50%, 1 by 2, only 50%. So incontinentia pigmentosa or X-linked dominant characters are more in females. Dominant characters are more in females. Females. Once again, X-linked recessive characters are more in males. X-linked dominant characters are more in females. That is about X-linked recessive and X-linked dominant characters. Coming to Y-linked characters. Y-linked characters. What are Y-linked characters or Y-linked genes? The genes present on Y chromosome. The genes present on Y chromosome does not, those alleles are absent on X chromosome. Y-linked genes. The genes present on Y chromosomes, those alleles are absent on X chromosome. Y-linked genes are characters. Example for Y-linked. Number 1, hypertrichosis. Hypertrichosis means hair on the external ear. Growth of the hair on the external ear or pinna. That is hypertrichosis. That is Y-linked character. And second one is webbing of toes. Toes are fused. That is another character. And next one, porcupine man. Stiff hair present on the body. That is porcupine man. Hypertrichosis, webbing of toes, and porcupine man. These are the Y-linked characters. Y-linked characters also called, or Y-linked genes also called as polyandric genes. Why they are called as polyandric genes? These genes present only in males, does not present in females. Those characters are called Y-linked characters. So Y-linked characters always transfer from male to male, not from male to female or male to female to male. That means these Y-linked characters like hypertrichosis, hair on the external ear, from grandfather to father to grandson. So always from male to male. So percentage 100%. These characters 100% transfer from male to male. That is about Y-linked characters. X-linked characters, Y-linked characters. And last one is XY-linked characters or genes. What are XY-linked genes? The genes present on homologous part of the X and Y chromosomes. Homologous part of the X and Y chromosomes. XY-linked genes or characters. These XY-linked characters are explained in Drosophila melanogaster. Drosophila, example, bobbed bristles. Stiff hair, bobbed bristles in Drosophila. Bobbed bristles. So this is female and this one is male. Bobbed bristles are the recessive characters. For example, here X and X, small b. This is bobbed female. X power B and X power B plus. This is normal or wild. Bobbed wild. Normal also called as wild. X power B plus and X power B. This one also wild. And last one, B X power B plus and X power B plus. This one also wild. Here bobbed one is only one. bobbed characters only 1. So 1 by 4, that is equal to 25%. In bobbed or XY linked genes in females 25%. What about males? X and Y, B, B. This is bobbed male. Bobbed male. X power B and Y power B, 1 plus. This is wild. X power B, Y power B plus. This one also wild. So here both X and Y, genes present on both X and Y chromosomes. Hence Y chromosome also contain the gene. Wild, wild. And X power B plus and Y power B plus. This one also wild. Out of 4, 1 is affected. One is bobbed. So here 25%. So XY linked genes are XY linked characters are present both males and females in 50-50% or equal percentage. So X linked recessive males, X linked dominant females. X linked recessive characters are more in males. X linked dominant characters are more in females. Y linked character 100% males. 100% males. XY linked characters, both males and females, contain equal percentage of these characters. Bobbed bristle in Drosophila is the XY linked characters. This is about XY linked genes. For example, this is a case X for B and X for small b. This is bobbed female. And X for B and Y for B plus. This is wild male. So bobbed female crossed with the wild male. What is the result? X for B and X for B plus. So it is a female wild. And second one, X for B and Y for B plus. This one also male wild. Male wild. Next similarly, same cases. So in this case, 50% females are wild and 50% males. So that means 100% offspring wild. 100% offspring wild. Why? Because 1 plus B plus causes wildness. So that is about sex-linked genes. There are different types of sex-linked genes. X-linked genes, Y-linked genes, and XY linked genes. X-linked again divided into X-linked recessive and X-linked dominant, and Y-linked genes and XY linked genes. This is about sex-linked inheritance. Sex-linked inheritance.